am discussing about the drug discovery method. In that, random screening, molecular manipulation, molecular designing, drug metabolite, serendipity. These are the method of the drug discovery. In that, random screening. In the absence of known drug and other compound with desired activity, a random screen is a valuable approach. Random screening involves no intellectualization. All compounds are tested in the bioassay without regard to their structure. Non-random screening, also called targeted or focus screening, is a more narrow approach than in the random screening. Then molecular manipulation. The studies of molecular self-assembly target the synthesis of various advanced functional materials and devices through molecular manipulation and the determination of their structure and physical and chemical properties. The technique of assembly at the molecular level mainly include breaking old chemical bond and then forming a new one and tuning weak non-covalent interaction to form self-assembled structure. Then molecular designing. In the drug design is the inventive process of finding new medication based on the knowledge of a biological target. In the most basic sense, drug design involves the design of molecules that are complementary in shape and charge to the molecular target with which they interact and bind. Then drug metabolite. Metabolism biotransformation of drug is enzymatic and the site of metabolism are not predictable. However, the conversion of the pharmacological inactive prodrug to active drug can be either an enzymatic or chemical process and is designed with intended purposes. Serendipity in drug discovery implies the finding of one thing while looking for something else. This was the case in 6th of the 12 serendipitous discoveries. Review in this paper, that is aniline purple, penicillin, lysergic acid, diethylamide, meprobamate, chloropromazine and imipramine. Role of serendipity. It has play a prominent part in the discovery of many drugs and medical treatment, including vaccination, insulin to treat diabetes, penicillin, quinine, and Viagra. In many fundamental discoveries, including X-ray, radioactivity, pulsar, and the cosmic microwave, background radiation, and in the discovering many useful products such as Teflon, vulcanized rubber, microwave oven. Thank you.